scoreboard. Gonzo's the goose.
I've ever seen a game delayed by bees. That's B-E-E-S.
And I can't call it a rally praying mantis or alien or whatever.
An added guess for the Yankees. I don't know